Hey guys, here with I'm Kirby. I'm here with Baby Sonic and
Hi.
Chicken Nuggy and Baby Jack.
What's up? Hello.
And guess what? Me and Chicken. It is one of those friend game nights where we all play video games together, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yep.
me and Chicken Nuggy, we picked out a game, right, Chicken Nuggy?
Yeah, we break out,
We're gonna be playing. Well, it's gonna be a great game. So, let's smash!
What?
This is what it means. Let's smash.
Uh,
No, come on. I don't mean what you guys think it means. I just mean that we can play Smash Brothers.
Smash Brothers? Who invented that game?
Masahiro Sakurai. And he's a really cool, awesome guy.
Wait, why did they make me in the game? I don't want to get smashed.
Well, your father's in the game, Baby Sonic.
Oh, I just realized.
Well, what game do you want to play?
Well, which do we have? That sucks. But which one do we have? Yeah, no.
Yeah, no, we're not doing Nintendo Switch Sports, even though there's a new free update coming soon. Or
Yeah,
is it already out? I don't know. I might have to look back at the Nintendo Direct. But, guys, can we please play Smash?
Okay.
Hey, guys, how's it going?
SpongeBob, what are you doing here?
So, I see you were struggling on, what to play, huh?
No. We didn't even invite you. This is our friends' night, not yours. Leave.
Smash Bros, huh? That game is not appropriate.
What?
It's not appropriate.
Why?
You guys know what it means, and I don't want to tell you.
if you're not 18, start scrolling down, and then don't watch this video.
Well, you're not playing this. Come on, we were gonna play that. No, we're gonna be playing. You guys are gonna be playing a game that I'm a game better. Right here, Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl.
Are you kidding me?
Ooh, I want to play that game. What do you say, guys?
I'm out. Okay, I'll play with you.
What about you, Baby Jack?
I'm out. Well, I guess we're the only ones playing.
Yeah, and, let me call the rest of the gang.
Wait, there's the rest of the gang.
Oh, look, Patrick and Garfield and Reptar, they're all in the game. And then...
Are you kidding me? You know what?
Ew! Get away from me! Ew!
I'm
Get
out.
away
I'm
from
out.
us, Jenny! Yeah! Get away!
I'm out.
What? What's wrong with me? Your show sucks, right? Yeah, no one likes your show. It's stupid. It's literally stupid. Like, what is, like, the worst episodes there is of her show anyway?
Hey, guys.
Get out of here, Rainbow Friends.
Guys, why don't you play Rainbow Friends? A better game than this stupid, crappy game.
I can't believe you don't want me to be in the game.
Yeah, your show sucks.
Yeah, take that. Ah! 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 Oh my god, we just killed Jenny. We killed Jenny.
Is that the police?
I think we should bring her back to her mom.
Yeah. Wait, don't go out that door because someone knocked on that door. And it's probably the police.
Hello?
Get on the
Well, let's just play the game now.
This game. Oh, look at you.
Yep, that's my game, Kirby and the Forgotten.
Why couldn't we just play your game?
Well, I didn't decide in my game. I decided for, well,
You should have played my game.
your game.
Yeah, it's gonna come out soon on the Nintendo Switch. It's called what was it again? Turd Brawls.
What?
Turd Bros.
Turd Bros.
Yeah, and it's all of the Baby Yodas. It's all the Baby Yodas, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, Chicken Nuggets, time to play.
So, let's go to battle. Wait, why is Baby Jack still here?
Wait, didn't Baby Jack leave?
Baby Jack, why are you still here? Tell me.
Hey, guess what, guys?
What?
Look at the screen. Time to go to sports.
Why sports?
Don't worry, I feel them.
Okay.
Which one should we go?
Stock.
Stock, okay.
Those are lives.
Select your fighter.
I want to be Jimmy Neutron's dad.
Neutron.
Oh my god.
Neutron.
Who should I be?
Neutron.
Whoa, calm down. I'll be Leonardo. Oh yeah, by the way, Leonardo was supposed to be here, but he never showed up, just saying. And we will get, computers of SpongeBob and Patrick.
Select your arena.
Alright, let's do this, Chicken Nuggy.
Hey, here's Neutron. That's Sussy. Huge Neutron sounds like something that would be on a boy.
What?
Nothing.
What? Whoa, what was that scratch thingy? I'm gonna beat you, Chicken Nuggy.
That'd be you.
Come on, guys, we're counting. Yeah, let's see how you guys are good. Ah. Yeah, take that. Hey, Chicken Nuggy, do you know what they should have done? They should have put Carl Weezer in this game. And one of his taunts are like battle entries or his victory dance. I don't know. I was thinking like for his victory saying he can say, "Are you going to finish that croissant?" Yeah, doesn't that sound good?
Okay. I'm winning.
Come here, Chicken Nuggy. I'm gonna whoop your butt. Come here.
Not so fast. Oh, what a hit.
Come here.
That's gotta hurt. Not so fast.
Here. Come here, SpongeBob. Oh, no, you don't. Come on.
Player one is
Chicken Nuggy, you just killed yourself. Come here.
over. Come on. Outstanding.
Take that, Patrick. I'm gonna win! Woo! I'm Dirty Dan. I'm Dirty Dan. Oh my god, that Dirty Dan episode. I don't even remember it. I know it's from your show, but I never watched it before. Alright. Hey, come on, I'm gonna win. No! No! Ah!
Not so fast.
Don't cry. Don't cry, Patrick. It's just a game. Okay. Oh, yes, I won. Oh, yeah. Ew, what are you doing, Chicken Nuggy? Look.
I like that. That's funny. That's why I picked him.
Anyways, Chicken Nuggy, I know who you should be. Someone that, like, you should be Ren and Stimpy. Do you know why?
Why?
Because they like to fart.
No, I want to be someone that's green. Oh, I know who to pick.
Who? Come on, Chicken Nugget, really?
Hey!
Okay, we get it!
Select your stage.
Wait, did you just choose the same stage, Chicken Nugget? Oh yeah, I'm gonna beat you. No, I'm gonna beat you. Now I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win.
Play nice.
Good luck, Chicken Nugget. Why did we do the same? Why did we do the same one, Chicken Nugget? Come here.
That's gotta hurt.
Come here. Chicken Nugget, why can't we keep up on the computers?
Because I want to win.
Yeah, but well, we're teaming up against the computers. That'll
Okay, let's team up.
so don't hit each other, all right?
Okay.
I have to pretend.
Wait, what the? Oh, sorry.
Outstanding performance. Nice.
The computers are almost done. Oh yeah, Don. SpongeBob's out. Come on.
Player 3.
And let's go!
Defeated.
You know what? Now I have one more life. Now this is the finale. Let's do this.
I can beat you.
No.
Chicken surprise. Chicken surprise.
Oh,
Yes, I won.
I hate you. Why can't I just win once?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, that means I won too. Oh yeah.
So yeah, I guess that's all the time we have. So thanks for watching us. Okay. Well, thanks for watching us play Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl. And thank you guys for joining.
No problem. Yup, it was our pleasure.
And have fun playing this game too. It is really great. Well, come on, Chicken Nuggy. Don't you want to do the outro?
What's the outro?
Lap